Math 083 Final Exam Review, Problem 33, Parts F, G, and H. We are going to solve these logarithmic equations for x, for m, and for n. Now, if you have watched some of the other videos that I've done, you'll remember that to work with logarithmic forms, to work with logarithmic equations, it is sometimes best to convert them into exponential form or exponential equations and find the solution or make the computation after converting to the exponential form. That's what we're going to do in parts F, G, and H. In part F, we must solve log base 3 of x equals 4, solving for x. Let's convert to exponential form. The base, b, is 3, so we write 3 raised to the power p. Now p is 4. Equals n. Well, what is n? Well, n is x. So we have 3 raised to the 4th power equals x. We don't have to isolate x. X is already isolated. We merely need to compute x. And 3 to the 4th is 81. So our solution is x equals 81. In part G, we are going to solve for m. Again, we will take this logarithmic equation and convert it to exponential form. The base, b, is m, power p is negative 4, equals n, and n is 1/16. We have to figure out what m is, and you may know. But if you don't, here's how we might think about it. A negative exponent means reciprocal, so we have 1 divided by m raised to the positive 4th power. That is the left-hand side of the equation. The right-hand side is still 1/16. So we have 1 divided by m to the 4th equals 1 divided by 16. This implies that m to the 4th is 16. What number to the 4th power is 16? The answer is 2. 2 to the 4th power is 16. Right? That makes sense to replace the m with 2. We get a true statement. So indeed, the solution for m is 2. In part H, we must solve for n. Converting to exponential form, base b is 7, power p is n, equals, and what I call the number capital N is 1. So we have 7 raised to the n power equals 1. And we know that 7 to the 0 power is 1. Therefore, indeed, the solution is n equals 0.